Sony CT290 Ultra Slim 300W Soundbar, HT-CT290. 300W Power, plus 2.1 Chs Force Pro Front Surround Sound. Connect and stream music easily with Bluetooth, slot-in design. Save space with the Ultra Slim, wall-mountable design. Hear clearer voices with voice mode and clearer sound at low volumes with night mode. Control your TV and sound bar with a single remote via HDMI ARC. Music playback via USB. Product dimensions: 35.43 x 2.05 x 3.39 inches, sound bar, 6.69 x 13.46 x 14.25 inches, subwoofer, item weight, 5.07 pounds, sound bar, 13.89 pounds, subwoofer. In the box, Sony 2.1 channel soundbar system with wireless subwoofer and digital amplifier, batteries, footpad, optical cable, owner's manual, wall hanging template, warranty card. Bring movies and music to life with this ultra slim Bluetooth soundbar, plus wireless subwoofer that delivers cinematic sound and powerful bass in any room. Stream music easily from your smartphone and even control your soundbar and TV with a single remote. All in a stylish, space-saving design that's a perfect fit for any TV.